Okay, what's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here again over at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about the 2019 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Black one on the left is a limited. On the right, the gray one is a limited platinum. Some very small differences, just want to go over them with you. Quite a few interior differences though. On the outside, we got the platinum wheel. It's the same as the limited, just kind of a darker tinted for that platinum look. There are some smaller details that you might not notice. We got a camera up front. We got cameras under the side view mirrors. As you know, backup cameras are standard on all new Toyotas, so that's nothing new. This one has 3 more. Reason why we've got some extra buttons over here. So this one turns on your surround view camera. Lets you look completely around the vehicle using all 3 of those cameras. Pretty neat technology there. Also over here, another button is the heated steering wheel. Definitely nice on those cold winter mornings. Both the Limited and the Limited Platinum have both heated and cooled front seats, auto climate control, navigation, JBL stereo system. Another big thing to a lot of people is this panoramic moonroof. Just a standard size moonroof in the Limited, so it only goes back about here. This one just keeps going. The whole panel does not open though. The rear panel stays stationary, but you do get quite a bit more moonroof in comparison. As I said, exterior wise, besides the wheels and the additional cameras, no differences between the Limited and the Limited Platinum. But that moonroof is definitely quite a bit different. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you like the video, please feel free to like it. If you want to see some other videos, check out my channel. Feel free to subscribe. Have a great day.